Welcome, everyone.
Given our rapid growth over the past few years, our team outings have become a critical part of Scandit's team culture.
We've called this Basecamp One because the plans we have ahead of us, what felt like unachievable just a few years back, at this point is very much within reach.
We decided to send out a surprise box that contained event-branded goodies and gifts to everyone around the globe. When the parcels arrived, people started to post on Slack. This really created excitement for the event.
Whatever it is you're facing in life, no matter how difficult things might seem, work towards them one step at a time. Anything becomes possible.
Hey, Scandit folks, how's everybody doing?
Welcome to the show.
We had TEDx sessions where people of our team shared their greatest passion or their hidden talents.
Well, we've seen so much flexibility from everyone on the team in the past couple of months, and that flexibility has allowed us to be successful even with these really unexpected challenges. And it's just amazing to see what kind of cool and creative event this team has been able to pull off.
Just seeing everyone in action here, seeing all the pictures, seeing all the creativity is just mind-blowing. When I'm looking at the mountain ahead of us here and thinking about all the great things we've just witnessed and that incredible amount of energy and passion and dedication, I have no doubts that we'll get to that summit together, and I look forward to hopefully getting everyone together in person next time.